Meet the Kia, a parrot that's basically a feathered prankster. Native to New Zealand, this alpine parrot loves to mess with tourists, stealing car parts and unzipping backpacks like a pro. They're so smart, they solve puzzles and work as a team, even laughing. Scientists say their calls spread good vibes. Kia are curious, clever, and not afraid to cause a little chaos. They don't just fly, they trouble fly. Smart, sneaky, and endlessly entertaining. The Kia is living proof that brains and mischief make a hilarious combo. Like and hit the subscribe button for more amazing mind-blowing videos only on Fact Hub.